being politically correct about Tirupati.
I am for Hindutva. I am for progressive cultural change in this country based on the principles of Hindutva. But I don't believe in telling lies for it. All that you have heard about Tirupati is a bunch of lies. They said that the chairman of the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam board, which is a government-appointed body, its chairman is a Christian and his wife is a Christian missionary. That man who I know very well, Subba Reddy, who is a member of parliament, Lok Sabha, he has been one of the most devout Hindus, and his wife is even more. Then why you are saying that he is Christian? Then I was told that 30% of the employees now in Tirupati are Christians. When I made an investigation, I was told that there are only 44 out of 15,000. And these 44 were appointed by the previous government of Chandrababu Naidu. And this government of Jagan Reddy has issued orders that these 44 also should be transferred to other government bodies, but they should not be in Tirupati. Although they were only truck drivers and things like that. Nothing to do with religion. The previous government removed the senior most Agama Shastri, called the Dikshitalu. This government has reinstated him back to his position. So all these lies, I think probably Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is financing it. And because the only person who's going to gain politically out of this is Chandrababu Naidu, if it sticks. I certainly will watch. I cannot say about anything else about Andhra, whether Jagan Reddy is doing this for Christians here or there. But as far as Tirupati is concerned, he has been eminently fair by keeping his hands off it. He has appointed a board which for the first time has people from other parties also. And therefore, all that you hear about Tirupati is just rubbish. And if you hear something else which you think needs to be rebutted, please tell me, I'll do it. I went there just now to Tirupati and addressed them. I told this gathering, we Hindus will lose our credibility if we do this kind of propaganda. Have some facts with you and then do it. So that is what I would like to see happen in India. Just because we are for Hindus doesn't mean we are against Muslims and Christians.